Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I hope you will be fit and fine at your home. So, today we will do the exercise 1.2. Okay? Yes. So, before the starting this exercise, we will understand how to write ones and tens. Okay? In the previous session, we have completed our exercise 1.1. Okay, so take out your book of maths and turn to the page number 9. This one. Okay, this page. Yes. So today we will learn writing numbers in tens and ones. Writing numbers in tens and ones. So write 23 in tens and ones. Write 23 in tens and ones. Means 23 को हम tens और ones में लिखते हैं. ठीक है? Yes. Look at the square boxes in your maths notebook. So you can see this is the square box 1. This is one square box. Okay? Let the one square box. It is 1. O-N-E. One square box. And a downside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many boxes is there? 10. 10 ones means 110. Got it? Now count the 20 boxes in 2 separate strips and color each strip of the 10 boxes in blue and count the 3 more boxes and color them into the green. Here are the 20 boxes of blue colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Here 10 plus 10. So how many boxes is there? 20. And 1, 2, 3. How many boxes of the green color? 3. How many boxes is there? 3 of the green boxes. Okay, 3 green boxes. Here 20 boxes of the blue color and plus 3 boxes of the green color. So how many is there? 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is equal to how many? 23. Okay. So in the 23, 3 is ones and 2 is tens. 3 is ones and 2 is tens. Okay. Clear? Okay. So let's do exercise 1.2. This one. Exercise 1.2. Write the numbers in tens and ones. Write the numbers in tens and ones. इस numbers में हमको ones और tens लिखना है. Got it? Is it clear? Okay. So 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. So 4 is ones. So we will write here 4. 4 is ones and 1 is tens. So here we will write 1. 1 is tens, 4 is ones. Got it? Next. 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. So 5 is ones. So we will write in the ones boxes. 5 is ones and 3 is tens. So here we will write 3. Now 58. So 8 is ones and 5 is tens. Okay. Now 70, 70. 70, 70. So 0 is ones and 7 is tens. Okay. 83, 83, 83. So from the right side, the first digit is 3. So it is ones. 3 is ones and 8 is tens. Okay. Got it? Next. 27, 27. 27, 27. So from the left, from the right side, there is 7. So 7 is ones and 2 is tens. Next, 4, 4, 44. 4, 4, 44. So 4 is, the right 4 is ones and the left 4 is also 10. Because the both digit in this number are same. Next, 6 to 62. 6 to 62. So 2 is ones and 6 is tens. Next, 7, 7, 77. 7, 7, 77. So here from the right side, 7 is ones and the left 7 is tens. And 90, 90. 90, 90. So 0 is ones and 9 is tens. Done? It's very easy, beta. So you have to write the tens and ones. आपको इसमें tens और ones लिखना है. हमेशा राइट साइड डिजिट वाला किसी भी नंबर में राइट डिजिट जो होगा वो वंस होगा, देन उसके साथ में लेफ्ट वाला टेंस होगा. क्लियर? वंस टेंस, 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 वंस टेंस एंड वंस टेंस. क्लियर? So left right digit हमेशा ones है and right digit left digit is tens. So it's very easy. So we have completed these questions. Okay, I hope you have understood what is the tens and ones. Now move to the next page. Yes. What is this, beta? You have to move the page number 10. This is the number line. What is this? This is number lines. Okay. Number lines. NUMBERLINE. Number line. What is number line? A number line is a line which has number marked on it at equal distance. Means number line वह line है जिसके ऊपर कोई नंबर अंकित किए गए हों, कोई इंगित किए गए हों, सेम डिस्टेंस के साथ, इक्वल डिस्टेंस के साथ. कैसे? Let's see. Here you can see there is a line, arrow and here starting from 0. And after the 0, there is 1. After the 1, there is 2, and then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9. So there are the numbers with the equal distance. ओके यहाँ पर जो नंबर दिए हुए हैं बेटा, इन सब में इक्वल डिस्टेंस है, यानी सभी में 1 1 का डिफरेंस है. देखिए 0 के बाद 1 हुआ, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ओके, यहाँ पर कोई भी नंबर स्किप नहीं हुआ है. सेम डिफरेंस, इक्वल डिफरेंस. सो दिस वन इज कॉल्ड नंबर लाइंस. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे बेटा? नंबर लाइंस. ओके, clear? Yes. So here right side and here left side. So you can see numbers increase from left to right. हमेशा लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ नंबर क्या होते हैं? इंक्रीज होते हैं, बढ़ते हैं. इंक्रीज मीन्स, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंक्रीज? इंक्रीज मीन्स बढ़ना. जैसे 0 से 1 हुआ, 1 से 2 हुआ, 2 से 3 हुआ, 3 से 4 हुआ, इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं ना बेटा. the numbers are increasing, numbers बढ़ रहे हैं. देखो 0 से 1, 1 बढ़ा हुआ, 1 से 2 हुआ, 2 भी बढ़ रहा है, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. इस तरह से क्या होता है? नंबर इंक्रीज होता है. विच साइड? फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ नंबर इंक्रीज होता है. एंड जस्ट अपोजिट, नंबर्स डिक्रीज फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट. और राइट से हमेशा लेफ्ट की तरफ नंबर क्या होता है? डिक्रीज होता है, घटता है, कम होता है. क्लियर? लाइक दिस, 9 से 8 हुआ, 8 से 7 6 5 3 2 0. इस तरह से नंबर क्या हुआ? डिक्रीज होता होता कम हो जाता है. किधर? राइट टू लेफ्ट. एंड लेफ्ट टू राइट इंक्रीज, राइट टू लेफ्ट डिक्रीज. गॉट इट? समझ में आ गया आपको? This is number line. And what is number line? A number line is a line which has numbers marked on it. एक नंबर लाइन ऐसी नंबर लाइन होती है जिस पर कोई नंबर मार्क होते हैं, अंकित होते हैं, इंगित होते हैं, जो कि इक्वल डिस्टेंस के साथ होते हैं, जो कि बराबर डिस्टेंस के साथ होते हैं, सेम डिफरेंस के साथ. ठीक है? और ये ध्यान रखना, हमेशा हमेशा लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ नंबर इंक्रीज होता है और राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ हमेशा नंबर डिक्रीज होता है. गॉट इट? इंक्रीज का मतलब होता है बढ़ता है, लाइक दिस 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. these are the number is increasing. And decrease means घटना. So 9 10 9 8 7 5 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. These number are decreasing, and here increasing, they are decreasing. Okay, got it? Okay. Okay, so let's start 1.3. हम 1.3 करेंगे बेटा. Okay. Yes, now we will start the exercise 1.3. You have to fill into the books. आपको books में ही fill करना है. ठीक है? Fill in the missing numbers on the number line. Fill in the missing numbers on the number lines. Number line पर जो number miss है उसको fill करना है. Because you can do it, because you know the counting. You know counting? Okay, आप सबको counting आती है ना? So it's very easy. Yes, you can see there is 0, and you can see is also 0. After the 0, which digit will come? 1. So here we will write 1. After the 1, which digit will come? 2. Then 3 is also written. And after 3, we will write 4. Then 5. And then 8. And 9 is written. Next, 10. After the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 1 then 12, then 12, then after 14, then 17, then 18. Okay, and 19 is written here. You can see this is the number of 30. 30, 30. You know the counting? Which number after the 30? 30 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? Which number has come? Which number will come? 31. Okay, after the 31, 32 will come. And here is also 33. So after the 33, 34 will come. After 34, 35. Then 36. And 37 is written. So now 38. And then 39. Yes, here is written 50. 50, not 15. This is not 15, beta. This is only 50. So after the 50, which number will come? 51. And after the 51, 52 is here. And after the 52, 53. Then after 54. After then 55. Then 56. After that 57 and 58 and 59. And last number line you can see this is 90, 90. So after the 90, 91. Then 92. Then 93. 94 is here written and 95. 96 and 97 and 98. Okay, so we have completed this the missing number on the number lines. हमने जो number line पर जो number miss थे we have completed. हमने complete कर. Okay, so today we have completed the exercise 1.3. Done. So you have to fill into the only books. You have to fill in the books only. Don't write in notebook. Okay, आपको books में ही fill करना है. Got it, बेटा? Okay. Thank you, बेटा.